Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a video response for Craft Eccentricity. She's doing a giveaway, and all she wants you to do is do a video response letting us know what you like about Christmas. First off, I love the fact that Christ was born on Christmas Day, and this year it's on a Sunday. What better reason to go to church and celebrate? Anyways, now, what I love about Christmas is that it's the time that you can spend with family, friends. I love the holiday music. I like the snow on Christmas Day. Ben has to come no other day though, but it's here. I love seeing my grandchildren open up their Christmas gifts and love the food and good conversation. I just love Christmas. All right. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Make sure you check out her link down below so you can enter in on this giveaway as well. All right. Thanks so much. You have a blessed day.